Hi all, my name is Vamsi. Today I am going to explain the post-capitalization for old assets in S4HANA. So before jump into SAP screen, so please go through this theoretical part. So I will give 1 minute for time to go through this theoretical part. Yeah, hope you gone through this theoretical part. Now we'll go to SAP screen. So in SAP, what are the steps we need to perform? So first we need to create the asset, new asset with the post-capitalization feature. Then once we create the asset, then we need to post the entry against the new asset. After that, we need to check the values against the new asset, which we have posted the post calculation value. Okay. Now first step is the create the new asset with the post calculation check mark. Okay. Now I'm going back to SAP screen. In SAP screen, so we'll go through path instead of going transaction code. So from easy access, accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, asset, create, and AS01. So click on AS01, and here we need to give your asset class and company code, and here this is the most important check mark. We need to activate the post capitalization check mark. So once we activate this check mark, press enter. Now give your relevant text for the asset. Now I'm giving here office furniture Hitachi, and activate the manage historically, and press enter. So once press enter, okay, so capitalization on date will be become as a mandatory. Why it is become as a mandatory here? Why we need to give the capitalization on date? So once we activate the post capitalization check mark in initial screen, the system will make it a capitalization on date as a mandatory. Okay, because we are posting for old assets, right? Old years, closed years assets, right? So that's the reason we need to give the mandatory field of calculation date. Now, so here our calculation date is, I'm going to give that to 1 year back, that is 31st March 2022. Press enter, press enter. That ignore it because the warning message, because of the, I will tell you why it is a warning message coming. Okay, now time dependent, go to time dependent tab and give the cost center and press enter. Now see, the system is automatically determining the business area, profit center, segment. So these are fields are already we have assigned during the cost center master data creation. So that's the reason system is automatically determined these fields. Now go to depreciation area tab. Here, because in a general screen we got some errors, right? Warning message, right? That because of the we have, there is a depreciation key is a different key. That's the reason. Now I will replace with my actual depreciation key with the straight line method. Just I'm going to press enter here, Now see that system is automatically determining the depreciation start date based on the calculation on date which we are given in the general tab. And here you can see that it is 1 year got expired, useful life is one year got expired. So based on the depreciation start date or based on the calculation date. So once we given that our necessary steps, just click on save. Once we given the necessary fields, just click on save. Now you can see that system is created new asset master with the new feature of the feature of the post capitalization. Now what is the second step? We need to post the capitalization value against our newly created asset through ABNAN transaction code. So this one also I will show you in the path through via path. Okay. Now I'm going back from the current screen. From here itself, go to posting, and here you can see that ABNAN transaction code. So click on it, double click on it. Here you can see system automatically determine our new asset, and accounting principle depreciation area is not required to give. System will automatically determine based on our asset master, and I'm going to give the post document date based on the current date, and posting date as usual. Here you can see that original value asset date. Original asset value date nothing but our calculation date. Okay. I'm going to give the value of the 1 lakh INR and text post capitalization to the old asset. Here you can check that. Go to simulation. So here you can see that 1 lakh is a total value, is 1 year 5 lakhs. Sorry, 5,000. That means 10 based on the 10 years of useful life. If it, okay, system is calculated the for completed depreciation completed year as a 5,000. It's nothing but accumulated depreciation, and this one is a net book value 95,000. So you can say as a 95,000 here. Okay, go back, and one more feature I want to explain here. If user want to post more than one asset, you can use the multiple assets here. You can use the multiple asset posting option. So for timing, I don't have multiple asset to enter the values. If you want, I will show you. Just here you can see that. Just click on here multiple assets. So here you can give that multiple assets here. So again, I need to give that all the details. So only input like mandatory fields. So like I'm going to give the original value date. So the system is automatically, and this is given that our new asset. Here you can see that you can give that our new if you want to enter the more than one asset. Again, I'm going to give the same asset because I don't have any multiple assets here. So I'm going to give that same asset. If you want, you can give that multiple asset. If you have multiple asset, you can give it here. And value is 1 lakh. Just press enter and go back here, or you can click on simulation. So here you can see that we enter view and click on save. Now you can see that, scroll down. Now you can got message. We got the message successfully posted the document. Okay. So now what is the next step? The next step is we need to see the values through Asset Explorer in the new asset for the new asset. So I'm going back in SAP. So we will also check the path for the Asset Explorer transaction code. So from the same menu, so here you can go to fixed assets from accounting main menu, financial accounting, fixed assets, information system, reports, individual asset and asset explorer. Here you can see that our new asset. Here see that this is the our depreciation value. This is the planned depreciation value. If we scroll down, this is our net book value. Now if we go to posted values, here you can see that our planned depreciation values in the current year. This is the 5,000 of the country. This is the how system will post it, and you can see that our values here. Okay, so this is the how we need to post the post capitalization to the old asset. Thank you very much for watching.